How Elon Musk delivered Tesla ventilators in such a short period of time. Elon Musk of Tesla and his expediters delivered respirators to treat COVID-19 patients as promised. That's a wonderful news. Elon Musk promised ventilators to help in caring for patients impacted by COVID-19 virus. Here is the update and our guess as to how the miracle happened. Hello everyone, this is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and to show your appreciation of our Toyota and Tesla reporter John Gorham, who shares this story. John writes, "In every manufacturing company I have worked for," and John mentions 5, including Thermo Fisher Scientific. John says, in any manufacturing company I have worked for in an engineering or marketing role, one of the hardest jobs at the corporation was that of the expediter. An expediter is a person whose job it is to make deadlines move forward. Think of a situation where a customer suddenly wants something that you make or provide. Be it a medical device, a vehicle, or even a service, your company can do the job, but not in the time required to earn the customer's business. Making the end product is not the problem. Your company has the capacity to do the part that they themselves perform. The problem is always the widget that is part of the machine. It comes from Upper Skubovia, and there is just one supplier. The normal lead time is 6 weeks, but to earn this big order, your company has to have it in 3 weeks, including the transit. At this point, the managers, owners, and engineers have done what they can do. It's time to let the expediter work his or her talent. By the way, in every company I worked for, that person was a woman. Sharon, Barbara, Jean, and few whose names I shamefully have forgotten, John says. John continues, the expediter is the purchasing agent usually who sources the components and has built a relationship with the folks at the widget company. In some cases, the widget company actually owns your company. They supply the key ingredient in a pie you make as their value-added agent or their local market joint venture partner. So threats are not the best course of action. Rather, persuasion is. The expediter will be asking the contact at Widgets R Us company to bend some rules, or to ask workers to stay late or add a shift, or they will be asked rob Peter to pay Paul. In other words, to steal away an order already ahead of yours and move that allocation to your company. In some cases, there are even monetary exchanges to make that happen. In others, it is a favor that is being asked. We will help you next time if you help us now, for example. Bloomberg has reported that California Governor Newsom has said in a media briefing, Elon Musk, how about this? I told you a few days ago he was likely to have 1,000 ventilators this week. They arrived in Los Angeles, and Elon Musk is already working with the Hospital Association and others to get those ventilators out in real time. It's an heroic effort. Tesla did not produce the ventilators. Those Tesla ventilators were purchased from a company and shipped from China, a place where the coronavirus is having a big impact. Yet those important machines were shipped away from there and into the state of California. Maybe it was Elon Musk who made all the calls to get those ventilators out of a country that needed them. Maybe it was Elon Musk and a team of assistants who did the job, or maybe it was a single person who worked her talent. Regardless, it was not Tesla or SpaceX or the Boring Company's engineers and machinists and fabricators who delivered those Tesla ventilators. It was a person acting in the role of expediter who did it. As we give thanks to Elon Musk's successful effort, let's not forget the folks at manufacturing companies who really make it happen when the crunch comes, the expediters. Well, friends, thanks for listening and thanks for watching, and thank you, John, for this wonderful explanation. Please subscribe to our channel, dear viewers and subscribers, and like this video, and I will see you in our next report later today. Have a wonderful day. Take good care of one another. Stay safe, and God bless you all.